Hi, Jerry from Comfort here again. Today to talk about Comfort Windows. You know, we've been a manufacturer of our own vinyl windows for over 30 years right here in Central New York. Not only are they made in the United States, they're made right here for our 200 inches of snow because we live in what they call the lake effect area. And that's important to us. We custom manufacture all of them to fit any opening or even create openings for you. And the vinyl that we use is very cost effective because it's not going to warp, chip, crack, peel, blister, or corrode ever. We can do so many different styles of windows, everything from a double hung to a slider to a casement, awning, bay and bow windows. They all come in a variety of colors, and you get to choose the glass type that you want for the windows. Anything from our high efficient dual pane to our super high efficient heat guard glass, triple glass, all the way to our quad shield glass if that suits your needs. All of our glass and all of our windows are completely handmade, all handcrafted with non-conductive spacers between the glass that expand and contract because our temperatures go from 95 to 10 below zero and we don't want the windows to fail. And that's how we build our windows, and our warranty reflects all of that. An all-inclusive warranty that even includes labor because we're selling them to you direct. There's no middleman. We install them with our own people right from the factory that are actual employees. We write our own warranty based around all of that, and we have service in place just in case something needs to be adjusted. I mean, it's a winning case all the way around. Try Comfort Windows. You won't be disappointed.